So Shopify launched targets today, and with targets, you can essentially target certain key metrics on your analytics. Um, let's say if I go ahead and I add a target, let's say if I call this April target as an example, I can choose a metric. Let's say if I want to target a specific conversion rate, say I want to target a conversion rate of 1.5, and I want to target between for the week of May 4th. I could do that. And this is essentially a future target. So obviously, when I go ahead and um, let me just see, so I can actually add this on my dashboard. So if I go on my analytics dashboard, I will be able to see my target. Similarly, if I have to launch another target, I can target one more. Let's say VIP customers, return rate, and let's say I want to target this for the month of April. Um, I want to target 2. No, 2%. Um, Total amount spent is 250. So this should pick the customers who are essentially spending more than 250 bucks for this month. I can also put this across Q2. So I can now add this to dashboard. So when I add this to dashboard, it will track all customers who are spending more than $250 across the month of across the Q2, basically April 1 to June 30th. If I, let's say, just add to dashboard, I go ahead and check my analytics. It should show these. So I think this is a pretty cool feature that Shopify launched. And let's see what other targets can I, what other metrics can I actually track. So I have in customers, I can add how many customers are we getting, percentage of customer total amount. Just nice. Let's say if I want to target cross Q2, I want to have, say, 1,000 more customers. It will sort of give me a nice goal across my dashboard on this. So in like 61 days are left, and I want to reach these many targets. Let's try some more. I can target conversion rate. I can target cross sales. These are suggested metrics. Okay. I do see some other items here, which is kind of interesting. Like because earlier, like we were sort of limited by what we see in analytics. Now we are able to see very specific um, items that we want to look at on a daily basis. So it's an interesting metric to look at every day on our dashboard. So good job, Shopify team.